today I want to show you guys the Creator League. So the Creator League is something we've launched where, again, this is just self-promotion, but it's a good opportunity. You get you get $1 for every 1,000 views if you use FaceIQ Labs on TikTok. So you post a video analyzing a celebrity or putting FaceIQ Labs in an edit. Every 1,000 views, you get $1 guaranteed. But I want to explain one more thing that makes our kind of program superior if you do want to do online marketing, which is a way to make a lot of money. You also get your affiliate link, your partnership link. So people like Andy Kim, who's really been taking advantage of this, they're posting a lot of videos. The videos get 100,000 views, so they get $100. And then they have a link in their bio where everyone who signs up with their link, they're then getting 20% of that. So they have two ways they're making money off the same videos. So make TikTok edits, get paid in two ways. So I'll show you guys a little bit of it. Create promo views cash. This is the onboarding. You guys will see if you want to go do it. And then we have bonuses. So we have whoever gets the best single video will get $500. And then whoever gets the most total views gets another $500. So if you know you're like good, there's some more incentives as well. Let's say you're in a first world country. I already have my account connected. What do I want to do? Let's do, I'll find creative ways to go viral. That's pretty interesting. Guidelines, you can read through them if you'd like. And now you are in the Creator League and you can submit your TikToks. So firstly, get your partnership link, which you'll have to get on the homepage. Get your partnership link, put that in your bio. That way, everyone who signs up with your link, you get a benefit. And then next, start making edits. Look at this. Andy recently submitted. This guy's grinding already. Already getting over 1,000 views. So he made $1. But then all the people who sign up, if they ever buy any package, then he gets a percentage split. And the better he does, the higher the split he gets. So yeah, Andy is number one. We just launched this, so we'll see how it goes. So right now he's qualifying for $500 from best video and $500 from overall views. So right now he qualifies for another $1,000 already. Now this lasts for 2 weeks, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'll show you guys, we'll just make this like a chill video. I have a lot of tabs open. Okay, we'll go to one of Andy's videos.
How attractive is Lana Lang from Smallville? You can see that Lana Lang,
what is this little thing? It's annoying. Anyway.
Scores 8.4 out of 10 for her front harmony because her bigonal width is ideal. However, we can see that her biggest flaw is her forehead because it's too big.
Okay, so yeah, he's just showing the software. We'll go to his page and see. Shout out Andy Kim, this guy's cool as well. Let's see what else we have going on.
How attractive is Tom Welling? So we can see that he scores 7.7 out of 10 for his front harmony because his lower third is the biggest third of his face.
So yeah, he's just demonstrating that the software does what it says it does and that it's a good software. And this one has 120 views in 20 minutes. Now, if we look at the potential, I believe he has videos with, this is just those little compilations. So this got 100,000 views. So if he had made this during the Creator League, he would have gotten $100 for just making this 60-second video. And then lots of people will go try this site out because it is a good site. That's the whole point. You're marketing a good product. And yeah, that's why we want more people to see it. Of course, we want to take our software as far as we can, and we know it's worth it. And I feel like people on TikTok, they don't really know about FaceIQ Labs. They're still using Umax. They're still using JawMax. They're still using this nonsense. We know it's nonsense. We know what's up. So yeah, he's going to now be making money in those two different ways. Clav, this is 77,000 views. So the people who are smart, that know how to go viral, like using Clav's mugshot, these people are going to make hundreds of bucks per video and then way more for actually doing, the affiliate linking. So again, I'll put up a sign up to FaceIQLabs.com down below. You guys can go experiment with this, see how you do. Anyone can sign up for the Creator League. There's 2 weeks. Whoever gets that most viewed video and the most views overall is getting $500 for first place. I think we did pretty generous split otherwise as well. This is kind of cool. We have our own UI for this. Second actually still gets $250 and third still gets $100. So that's pretty chill as well. That's pretty nice money just to get, I would say. But 500 is, we're definitely investing in this because hopefully it's a positive return. So yeah, on top of the $1 per 1,000 views, you can then qualify for the leaderboard. And then on top of that, you're already qualifying for your partnership split. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to sign up for the Creator League or if you want to use the software. Because this is a marketing program, but I still totally 100% have conviction in our software. I think it's worth marketing. I think it's the best facial analysis software ever made, and we're going to keep making it better. Wait till you guys see what's in store. If you'd like to go make some money with FaceIQ Labs, get to these prizes first. Click the link below and go for it. And see you guys next time.